What's up, guys? Coming to you with another video. In this video, I will be showing proof. I will be getting a little personal, show you some bank account proof at that. Okay, now let's first just log in my econ back office. Let's show you that this stuff reads, right? And okay, this is loading. I'm gonna show you this stuff really pays, and I'm also gonna show it to you live. This video is live. Nothing being, optimizing like that. It's a live video, live streaming. But first, let me log in and show you my back office real quick. Okay, let me log in real quick. Okay. Let me go to my reports. Okay, I'm gonna wait. I was gonna come up here. Let me just go to it real quick. Okay, y'all. Right here. Boom. Let's see right there. Show you what I'm taking. I'm taking it to my Chime, right? I got all my money that I make online come here. Sometimes I save the money on here, and now it's just online banking. I bank with Bank of America, and I have Chime. I also have another bank as well. I got two online banking. I also got Bank of America, right? And this is where I send my econ checks, because I get my checks Thursday instead of Friday. Well, with Chime. But let me go back to my back office, show you guys commission reports. Let it load. Okay, let's go to commission history. As you see, guys, this is my account. Dalvin Smith, you see it? This is my account. Now let's refresh it. It is a real account, real paid, no screenshot. This is a live. Now, let me just go log in. Okay, log in real quick to my Chime. Show you depositors coming in. My econ made well over $1,000 with this opportunity so far. And load. Okay, here's my Chime. It loaded, my bank account loaded. Right, let me go back over here to my econ back office. Let y'all take a look at it, let you know that this stuff really works. It is my account, I'm not doing anything, behind the scenes, this stuff is live proof. I'm saying, so as you can see, here's the deposit, right? Now let me go over here and okay, let you know this is my account. Let me show y'all that first. Remember, since 2018, I just got this account. Right, so let me type in my econ. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put on my econ. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, now let's match these numbers up. Right, my econ deposit was $53.50. Not much, but it will. Hold on just a sec. Not much, but it's better than nothing. Okay, it's done. Okay, $53.50. Boom. Let's go back to my econ back office. I forgot how. Let me zoom in real quick. Perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. Okay, you can see my account. That was me. Let me refresh it one more time for you guys. Okay, it's not going anywhere. My econ report. Okay, my first deposit, right, was $53.50. Let's go. Go here. My first deposit was $53.50. As you can see, this in my time. Let's refresh it. I probably gotta type my econ. I probably gotta pull it back up again how to refresh it. Okay. Yep, I gotta pull it back up again. Hit refresh already through. Let's go. Let me just put mine. Gonna drop down. Okay, boom. $53.50. As you can see, came from my econ. My econ. What are you skeptical for? Okay. My next deposit. $313.50. So where it come from? My econ. So back to my econ. Boom. Boom. Numbers don't lie. People lie. Men lie, women lie, animals lie. But numbers don't lie. Boom. Okay. And my second deposit. Show you my third deposit with my econ. Now I'm showing you all bank account proof. I will show you statements as well. Let me hurry up and get finished with this real quick. Okay, my econ, $618.50. No, I don't got time to be trying to show you guys. You know, just trying to focus on it. You see it. You see the proof. Last deposit, $68.07. Now let's go to the bank statement. I want to get I want to get personal. You know what I'm saying? Showing you all this personal live proof. And yes, I got started with $34.95. Yes, I got started. Okay, I'm gonna say June. Alright, let me see. Real quick, make sure. I'm gonna show you guys bank account statements. Right, you can see in the month of June. Let's go to it. I'm getting two persons right here. Showing you all this healthy proof real quick. Hold on. I don't know why it's not going. Okay, there you go. I hit 2 times. Let me see. Open the tab real quick. And like, I be telling people, like, I don't have to lie to anybody. You know what I'm saying? I can show you everything. Show you live proof. Come to your house and show you proof. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, not saying I would literally come to my house and show them proof. You know, it don't get this serious. Okay, loading on my bank account statements. Come on now, somebody in the background. I'm getting real personal here, but I guess I don't get too personal because it's too much in here. This is my bank account statement. Hold on. Let me look for my econ check. Man, guys, I didn't know. I forgot you got to go through all this. But you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't really have to show you too much of it or everything. You know what I'm saying? You guys see the proof, man. I'm still, boom, got one right here. My econ. Let me highlight it for you. So you guys can see. I'm not bullshitting. Excuse my language, but Boom. Bank statement. Let's go to the other one. Let's find the other one real quick. Boom. Boom. Bank statement. What else? There's a lot of stuff I gotta actually sit here and read. I don't feel like reading. But man, you gotta see the picture, man. Y'all see the chicks, man. I don't gotta get down too down dirty with it, you know what I'm saying? So y'all see the picture. Y'all see I'm making money, y'all see my econ is paying. Y'all see it, you know, it's no big deal to it, you know what I'm saying? But I'll see you guys on the next video, you know what I'm saying? Just take action and I can show you how to make some money. Like help people build their credit score. And also helping yourself build your credit score, minimize tax, etc. But you guys have a blessed day. See you guys inside. I can't wait to work with you guys. I'm out. Peace.